Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a moving watermark with HitPaw. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have visited online.hitpaw.com. So first of all, make sure you have visited this website using your computer or maybe your mobile phone. And then we're going to select the watermark remover since we want to remove moving watermark. Okay, and I'm going to click on choose file. And for example guys, I'm going to remove the watermark from this video. Okay, and then I'm just going to zoom in like this. All right, and then we can go to the preview if we want to see the preview. Okay guys, and this is the result. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. And if you want to export the result, you can go to the export menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove and moving a watermark using HitPaw. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.